Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you in this new video in our Diecast channel this 1949 Ford Custom. This car is made in the 1:18 scale by Mira, which is a Spanish company, and it's got a pretty good quality for a budget model. So let's take a better look at it. Before we do so, please don't forget to like and share my video as well as to subscribe my channel. Let's go on. Well, the first thing that draws our attention is this nice color in which this car is made. The trims, which are all separate pieces around the windows and windshield wipers and windshield are single part, but they're a separate piece actually, as well as the antenna, hood, trim, and ornament, and grill and bumper. Headlights are pretty good. They're not as realistic as more expensive models, but they're pretty good. So let's take a look at the engine. Let's open the hood. Well, the hood hinges are quite simple, but they're not as big as some ones we find in some different cars. The Ford emblem, which is a sticker basically, and the V8 engine, which is basically a piece with some more add-ons to it, some different parts. So in this engine bay that's made by Mira is usually a little bit simpler than the other cars we have. I've shown a 1955 Buick Century before with basically the same features of this car. Wheels and tires look very nice. They're not so realistic, but they look quite good. Ford Custom badge. It's quite tiny, but we can read it here with a better look, of course. The bottom of the car is quite simple, with a muffler and the engine and tranny as separate pieces, but they could be painted out so they could be a little bit more realistic. The axe-shaped frame, as we find in 1940s and 50s cars. Gas tank could be a little bit better, and the screws that could be a little bit smaller, I think. Perhaps I could paint them black. Steering system. This car steers wheels with steering wheel, and the interior, which is quite good. The interior and the outside colors do match a lot. Seats fold towards the front, and the steering wheel, we can see, that steers the front wheels. I'm not just not forcing them. One issue about this car is actually a coupe, so this upper door part should open with the door actually instead of being here. That's an issue about cheaper cars, but it's okay. Trunk, we can see the hinges are mocked here, but they're just cast on metal, but they're not actually functional. We have a central hinge here, which is okay. The trunk lid opens and closes correctly, and the trunk looks quite correct according to the car, with a rubber mat and the inner trunk made in pretty much realistic plastic. Tail lights and reverse lights, as well as rear bumper and brackets. Chrome is a little bit worn out, but it's okay. And the exhaust that could use a little work. It's quite a nice car. Driver's side, pedals, and steering wheel, which steers the front wheels, just like the other 1:18 models. So that's going to be it for now. I'd like to thank you for all views, likes, comments, and for subscribing my channel. Please don't forget to leave me a like, share my video, and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much, and I see you in the next video. That's it. Bye-bye.